First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution is about freedom of religion, press, and speech. It doesn't make us confide into one religion. No one can stop you from saying anything unless you endanger someone else. The media has the right to film anything. The Second Amendment gives you the right to bear arms. It protects people. This amendment gives the state the right to maintain a militia.
The Third Amendment is about quartering troops. No soldier can be quartered in any house unless the owner expressly allows. Troops cannot oppress the people or cause agitation, like they practiced before in the British nation. They can't even be put in your house during a time of war, but this amendment isn't as important as it was before. The Fourth Amendment is about searches and seizures. People should be safe in their persons, houses, papers, and effects. This teaches the law respect, unless you're suspect. They can't search you without a reason or a warrant. They can't use evidence obtained without a warrant. You should know this because it's very important.
The Fifth Amendment is about criminal proceeding, due process, and amendment domain. A person can be tried for a serious federal crime only if the person has been indicated. No one can be subjected twice, and private property cannot be taken from you for public use without compensation.
The Sixth Amendment is about criminal proceedings. If you're being tried for something, it should be fair. You need to be aware that everyone has a right to a fast trial. You need to know what you're being tried for and investigate all the opposing witnesses because it will be like war. You can pick favorable witnesses and you have the right to an attorney to handle all your business.
Amendment 7 applies to cases between two private parties or a federal government and another private party. It also allows you to sue a person if the amount of money is greater than $20. Amendment 8 is punishment for crime. If you're going to jail, the court is not allowed to assign a large amount of money for bail. This amendment also states that a criminal cannot face unusual punishment. Amendment 9 is about enumerated rights. Even though the rights aren't written down, the government has to protect people's rights. Amendment 10 limits the power of the federal government. Any power they don't have is given to either the people or the state.